What's up, conservation crew? Welcome to another Nature Diaries today. Stu's just lobbed a load of wet leaves at me. We're going to Brunel Woods in Torquay and it is wet, but Stu's forced me to come out into nature. So we're going to go on a little stroll in a woodland, so come along with us. Sorry if I look a bit mental because I'm wearing a bobble hat with a hood, but it's raining loads. Trust Stu to bring us out in this weather. So this is only a little woods. It won't take us long to get through it, but we can already see there's a lot of diversity here, so loads of different plant species, which is really good. We're in a bit of an urban area really, so it's kind of a little bit of slice of nature in an urban area. So the trail that we are currently walking on is a John Musgrave trail, and it actually goes all the way to Maidencombe. So if you want to see our Nature Diaries in Maidencombe, so you can get an idea of what it's like there, a little bit of nature inspiration, check out the video in the cards. Quite hilly this walk, but look at this massive tree. How gorgeous is that one? And another beast of a tree there. Tree heaven. Shout out to my tree loving friend Stephgate. Where's your Nature Diaries at? Do you know what really gets me about trees when they're really big? I think about them when they're saplings, like tiny little leaves with a really fragile stem, and like you could literally just stand on it and it would die. And then they somehow grow into these tall, thick, solid things. I can't get my head around it. Nature amazes me. So another really cool thing about trees that have been around for a long time, so the really big, thick ones, is some of them may have seen world wars. They may have been around during the time of Shakespeare. Like, it's immense how, if they could talk, they could tell us so much because they've been around for so long. I just think that's really cool to think about. So there we have it, where we've done a nice round circuit and we're back at the entrance of the woodland. So that's it for our Nature Diaries today. Just a nice little short walk in the woods, truly blown the cobwebs away. I would highly recommend doing rainy walks because there's no one else around. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, although it will be a bit shorter than usual. And make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed it and you enjoy our other videos so that you never miss one. And I'll see you in the next one.